troubleshooting, 3 tools every IT tech should know. In real-world IT support, success isn't about how fast you can click. It's about how fast you can understand what's wrong. Troubleshooting isn't guesswork. It follows a structured flow. Observe, investigate, test, act. And the secret weapon many pros rely on? Run commands. Just hit Windows R and launch powerful diagnostic tools in seconds. Below are 3 essential tools every support technician should have in their mental toolbox, along with when and how to use each. 1. Event Viewer, Event VAR. What it is: a detailed log of everything Windows does, from app crashes to hardware warnings. Open it, Windows R, type Event VAR, enter. Use it to investigate application crashes, trace driver or hardware issues, see system startup shutdown errors, find BSOD, blue screen causes, track user logins and audit logs. Quick tip: start under Windows Logs System for critical system level errors. 2. Task Manager, Taskimer. What it is: a live look into what your system is doing, processes, performance, startup apps, and services. Open it, Windows R, type Task MGR, enter. Use it to find apps using too much CPU or RAM, kill frozen or suspicious processes, monitor real-time resource usage, manage background services. Quick tip: click the CPU column to sort by usage. If something's hogging 90% pluses, that's your starting point. 3. Performance Monitor, PerfMon. What it is: a deep performance tracking tool, ideal for diagnosing issues that build up over time. Open it, Windows R, type PerfMon, enter. Use it to track CPU, disk, RAM, and network stats over time, set alerts for thresholds, log performance trends during off hours, detect memory leaks and slowdowns. Quick tip: use data collector sets to monitor performance across hours or days. Perfect for catching intermittent slowdowns. Symptom: tool to use, why? Frequent crashes pointing to faulty drivers. PC suddenly freezes, Task MGR. See which process is stuck or maxing out memory. Frequent crashes or BSODs, find crash logs pointing to faulty drivers, systems slowing down over time. PerfMon, catch resource trends or background drain. Specific app won't open or crashes, view app error logs for clues. NARG. Final advice: don't jump to fixes. Many rookie techs rush to reinstall apps or wipe the OS without fully diagnosing the problem. This can cause more damage than good. Professional support starts with understanding. The better you interpret Windows's built-in signals, the faster and safer you can fix the root issue.